Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to your Tonkeeper. Alright, so first and foremost, open up your Tonkeeper in the first place. Then on your Tonkeeper, locate your USDT. So my USDT is the last one over here. So click on that. When you click on that, you're going to go ahead and then copy your USDT address. So click on receive. Remember, you're receiving from Binance to your Tonkeeper, and then copy this address over here. After copying that address, what you're going to do is simple. Open up Binance now. When you open up Binance, come to wallet section, and then in the wallet section, you can come to withdraw option there, and then click on withdraw via crypto network. After doing that, select USDT and then send via crypto network. So after doing that, paste this address over here. When you paste the address, it will automatically detect the Ton network. Okay, so as you can see, the minimum you can withdraw here is 10, and then put in any amount beyond 10. So for this case, I'll put in 12 USDT, and then you come and click on the withdraw option over here. Okay, so after doing that, you're good to go, and that's how to send money, or that's how to withdraw from Binance to your Tonkeeper, and that's how simple it is, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.